So it's mid-May right now. This rhododendron has fully bloomed, always on like the second week of May. Just a beautiful plant. There's some whole bunch of different types of vegetables that I'm growing in my flower garden, or what used to be a flower garden. It's all self-watering, so why grow flowers when you can grow food? This is already flowering, so I'm going to need to take this out or collect the seeds. That's why I left it. I want to try to collect the seeds. Let's go check out this. This is the Russian mammoth sunflower. I started this early in March. So this right here is a sunflower. It's a special kind. It's called a Russian mammoth. These are supposed to get absolutely huge. So I got one planted over here, but I got the big one way over here. And it's already grown significantly. I can't wait to see what happens in around July or August. I call this LeBron over here. Look at the size of this already. There's the automower doing its work. So, yeah, I'm hoping this can get up to about 10 feet. That's what it was at 4/20, April 20th. It's now what, May 15th? So it grew quite a bit. And the head's coming up too. Let's go take a look at what's going on in the vegetable garden. A lot of stuff is already flowering because I planted it super early in the season. So I'll have to take them out or let them go and learn how to collect seeds. Just love this design because there's no weeds by using the landscaping fabric. This is also a self-watering garden, so I don't have to water it. I just basically got to grow the plants, transplant them, and then walk away. On each four corner, check it out. I got sunflowers growing, the same ones, Russian mammoth, in each corner. So I'm hoping to make, like, looks like the Taj Mahal, except for this guy's a little bit smaller compared to this plant. This one's about the same height as all the other ones. Let's go take a look. Oh, look at this one, it's huge. His head's coming up. And then there's another one just over there. That one, it's pretty big. So just one small one in that corner. As you can see, these are already flowering. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do. Take them out. Look at the size of this lettuce. Look at the size of this kale. Just looks like broccoli, but it's actually kale seeding. I wonder what, maybe just let it go. Let's check out what's going on over here. So this is where I grow all the climbers. So we got some tomato plants. This pea is climbing. Put this here. Let's try. Oh, see, I want to bend this. See if I can get it. Go down in here. Maybe get that. Sorry. Let's see if I can do this. Let this guy come up. That. Basically, I'm just trying to cover as much space as I can. And then these guys over here will turn into little climbers as well. So I can get them to go behind and then come back out. Look at that, it's all tangled, tied up to each other. Over here I'm growing some pepper plants. Oh, very good. Hope that's not, I hope that's lettuce. It looks like lettuce. So those are climbing. I hope the tomato plants do good. I started growing them way early, so we'll see what happens over there. And there's your little May tour of the front area.